Welcome. In today's video, we're walking through one of the most common Facebook questions: how to delete a post on your profile. Whether you want to remove an old update, a photo, or something you just don't want others to see anymore, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping on your picture or name at the top of the screen. This will take you straight to your personal page, where you can see everything you've shared. Next, scroll through your timeline and find the post you want to delete. It could be a text post, a status update, a shared link, or even a photo. When you've found it, look at the top right corner of that post. You'll see 3 small dots, also known as the menu button. Tap on those dots to open the options for that specific post. From that menu, select the option that says Move to Trash. Facebook will then ask you to confirm your choice. This step makes sure you don't delete something by accident. To finish the process, tap on Delete Post. The post will now be moved to your trash, where it will stay for 30 days before being permanently deleted. If you change your mind before that time is up, you can go back to your trash folder and restore the post. But if you're certain, you can also go there and delete it right away. And that's it, you've just deleted a post on Facebook. It's that simple. Remember, you can use these same steps for any post on your profile. Keeping your page clean and free of things you no longer want visible only takes a few taps. Thanks for watching.